Right, good morning, guys. Hello, hello, hello. We'll get started in a few minutes. MLGO looks like it's moving. Yeah, MLGO is the mover right now. Add this to my watch list. Where is it? Here. Sub $1 play. I'm not touching it today, but yeah, we'll see how it's doing. Octo, this was easy entries here. Break downtrend, look for your 5%. ELYM, wait for 858, otherwise do not enter. GLMD, let me have a look. GLMD, nothing. Needs, here we can move it to here now, 1056. So GLMD needs 1056. GLMD, wait for 1056, break to enter. All right, so if it breaks above 1056, fantastic. If it doesn't, doesn't matter. Leave it alone. BREA, trash. Poet, trash. This looks like the best play. You should get this wick fill here at 4985, sorry. Hollow, still nothing on this. It's a descending triangle, which is bearish. Descending triangle. Descending triangle equals bearish. Does everybody know what this is? A descending triangle? Okay, seal. Yeah, seal, nothing on this. I know a lot of people are watching it. For me, I'm not really a fan of it. I'll just clean this whole chart up. Where is the major resistance level? 1 hour. Don't forget to post your tickers, guys. Tickers, questions, comments, and that. 0.3580. Yeah, above here, probably. I'd wait for this resistance level here. Right now it's just ranging, trading in a range. No need to trade it. Close above 3580, then you can look for possible entries. So we have seal, wait for 0.3580. Regular pre-market, that's been very slow this week. Slow, but it's fun. I actually enjoy it when it's like this because it just gives you time to relax, you know. Don't need to be going crazy all the time. PBM, let me have a look. PBM, good morning, guys. Hello. PBM, for me, what do I see on this? Absolutely nothing. Downtrend. I'm gonna go through this candle wick because that's an 8 AM candle. Yeah, right now, nothing on this. Needs downtrend break. Wait for downtrend break. Like up the stream as well, guys. Best thing to do when the markets are slow, it's actually the easiest to trade when the markets are slow because there's only 1 or 2 runners. All you have to do is focus on that and then just trade that based on technicals. Like this. This was an easy trade setup here. ELYM looks like it's pushing up. Close above there would be entries. VSME is looking all right. It's looking okay though. It's okay. EBS, let me have a peek. EBS up 10%. If I'm trying to look for entries, I would wait for 712 break. Now I don't know what's going on here. Up, down, up, down, up, down. My mind will be very clear and confident that if it breaks 712, that'll continue to go up. Here, I don't know. You have this in the way, you have this in the way. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Wait for 712 break and close. So keep this on the watch list. We'll see. Have to have a look on this one. MLGO, yeah. KULR. Let me have a look. EBS. Yeah, I saw that with EBS. I saw that. EBS is looking alright actually. Nice steady uptrend. Oh, sorry, KULR. Steady uptrend here. Looks good. These are your key levels. Right here is one. 0.3135 is one. 0.345. 0.345. So yeah, these are your levels right now for this. Key levels. I like this setup though. It looks more of a swing trade than anything, but it looks nice. Looks good. Good morning, good morning, good morning. NVVE. Did this thing recover at all or anything's going on with it? NVV, this is not doing anything right now. NVVE, let's go to 30-minute, clear it up a bit. 1 hour. A lot of, see this? A lot of indecision, up, down, up, down, up, down, high wicks. When you see a lot of wicks like this, it just shows a lot of indecision. So for me, if I'm looking for an entry on this, I would wait for here, this high. Around here, $8. I like to use blue as a psychological level just to help me. So NVVE, wait for $8. Wait for $8 break. All right, cool. Now let me get back to you. Let me get your guys' questions. Hello, hello, hello. HRTX, good morning, good morning, good morning. HRTX up 5%, larger time frame, what's going on? Not really a fan. So the easiest thing to do is just zoom out chart, like look at the overall trend to understand what's going on. So what you can see is that it's come from a downtrend, right? So now you can see what's happening is here's a resistance because all the way up is your next level. So now what you do is you zoom into the chart to make it clear and you use this level here, 218 as your resistance. If it closes above 218 on any time frame you desire, you can choose, then you can look for your entry. So 218 break, wait for that. So this is HRTX, wait for 218 break. You'll see a lot of times, guys, when people ask me for a request, I just say wait, 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 because 99% of the time people post charts, they're all bearish, so you have to wait. When I say wait for a break, I already went over this yesterday for you guys, so make sure that you went to go and watch previous stream, which was yesterday. What time is it? I don't know what time. You're gonna have to go through and scan through it, unfortunately. ATCH, yeah, ATCH looks like the best setup. I'm expecting to get to here, so we'll have a look. Octo is very easy, very simple trade. Very simple trade. Trend line break, there is your 9%. That's double what you want. Very, very nice. So if you got in that, Octo, well done. People in the Discord are all in because they know how to trade that, because I teach that in the Discord. And just a very basic strategy. I even give it to you guys here on Twitter as well. So should be learning if you've been following me for a bit. See, if you don't understand what it means by downtrend break, it's very simple. When I say wait for the break, because I know we get new people every day, this is how you do it. The candle has closed above the downtrend break. That means you can enter the trade. Then it should go up. Is it going to go up 100%? No. Is anything going to go up 100%? No. But if it's going to break the downtrend like this, there is a high probability it will probably go up, right? ESME multi-day runner, maybe we'll see. Need some volume right now. It's half asleep. CAPR, this one was yesterday's market was very weird, same as today. It's very, very strange, very strange. I'm very busy this this evening here in Dubai. I got to sort some errands out, so I won't be very active till much later today, unfortunately. I have some things I need to sort out. Where is this play? Here it is. 1125. CAPR looks good though, but look here, you see this level? This 932. This is your previous resistance, right? 1, 2, 3 rejections. Now, Ideally, you want it to pull back to this level and look for possible entries for it to continue to go up. So where's the CAPR? Wait for pullback to 932. All right, 932, 932. Good morning, XHG. Let me have a look. XHG is back down here for me on XHG. Nothing. It's only, yeah, nothing on this, unfortunately. Nothing for me on this. Just a downtrend like that. I'm not interested on it yet, but I just have it. I'd wait for a downtrend break. I don't know where it could be. It could be up here, 137. It could be down here, 118. So I don't know what exactly price. So unfortunately, you're going to have to figure that out. XHG is looking like it's trying to reverse here, though. Octo absolutely cooked, right? I know. Cooking. SMMT. SMMT needs this level here, but it looks good. This looks better for a swing. Here's someone just said about a swing. Kappa for a swing. Maybe, yeah, it could be a swing trade, but I would prefer something like this. Getting to resistance, but you have strong bullish price action here. This looks good. Yeah, I like this. I don't know anything about when earnings are or any catsers coming up, so you're gonna have to do the DD yourself to figure out what's going on that play. Am I gonna take it a swing? No, but it does look good technically for a swing. So I'll just keep it here and have a peek throughout the day. Let's have a look. We'll just keep it here. Anything else moving here? Let me have a look. Wint. Let me have a look at Wint. Wint. Nothing. Wint is terrible. This is a terrible stock. Terrible. Don't want to be trading something like this. Needs 362 break. Yeah, Wint needs 362 break, so I would leave it alone. What up? Ariane, VSME 155. Yeah, above VWAP is where I would look for an entry on VSME. Lift. Yeah, lift is looking alright. It's coming to a resistance here around this level. Here, 1360. Looks decent. Broke out of this big level here, which is nice. CLSK. This is a CLSK is a miner, so this runs with Bitcoin. Big rejection at $10. Maybe it will do this. 950 level. So 950 level like this. Now it's going to become support. That's what should happen. So you have this like that. Oops, I need to make that orange. And then what you can have after that is the break above, retesting here, and now hopefully, you know, that's my prediction for CLSK. How high will it go? I don't know. Only God knows. CLSK prediction. So you can keep this on watch, but obviously this, whatever Bitcoin does, this will follow. I think game will go higher soon. Yeah, game looks good. It's filling the gap right now, so it looks very good. MSGM. Yeah, MSGM's breaking out right now. It's just been such a slow pre-market. It's been watching paint dry. Got a couple plays in early and then I lost on 2 plays, but other ones were alright. It's breaking out though. Everything's literally below VWAP. Everything. Expecting market open to be like this, or market again today. Same as what it was the last week. I mean, the beginning of the week, Monday and Tuesday, expected to be the same today. So these are the days where I like these days a lot, because it teaches people if they can actually trade or not. Because everyone wants to trade, take hundreds of trades for some stupid reason, and take as much. They think more trades you take, the more money you make. You know, that's not how you do it. If you want to make more money, you just need to invest more. If you want to lose more money, right, have a larger stop loss. Like, you know, it's just common sense, in the sense that it's all down to your risk management. No one is telling you to buy the stock or trade in the stock market at all, or even look at the charts, right? But you're in control of your account. No one's saying buy now, sell here, buy now, sell here. If you don't like the market, don't trade. I give the analogy all the time and say, if the weather's shit and rainy outside, you're going to go outside? Probably not. If the weather's nice and sunny, you're going to go to the beach and stuff, then you're going to go outside, right? So trade when it's nice and sunny, not when it's raining and shitty. So yeah, that's why I tell people. I give them the heads up every single day before the market opens. I say, listen, you are in control of your account. If you don't like the market conditions, do not trade. If you really, really, really want to trade and the market's shit, maybe trade with 50% size, or even less. Maybe take 10 shares or something. Something that's not going to damage your account, so you can learn how to trade in the market like this. But for me, I wouldn't be trading today. No ways. There's no need to trade with a market like this. The market's slow, nothing really going on. You know, there's always opportunity, I understand, but you're just going to have to wait a lot longer. That's all. And you have to be disciplined to only take the setups that you like, the A+ setups that I teach in the Discord. If you're going to go and take another trade setup because you're bored, or because you have to trade for some weird reason, then you're probably going to lose, and then you're going to get frustrated. And a lot of times people don't journal, so they're just going to take those trades, lose, and they don't understand why. But if you look back at your journal, if you journaled on days like this, you'll look and see, the market conditions were very slow. That's why I took that trade. This didn't work out because there was no volume. So you can see, right? So journaling is fantastic for new traders. You should still do it. People just don't want to do it because they're lazy and they just want results in 2 days. Two losses in a row, get out of here. Call it a day. Where would you APLD? I think APLD is the same as digital, yeah. Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin play as well. Let me have a look quickly. Look at Bitcoin. It's looking good. Bitcoin should break out, so APLD should follow. APLD overall is very bearish. Daily time frame is very nice. Yeah, you just have this level here. Where to buy? Probably around here, this demand zone area. It's 687, 650-ish. Like that. Somewhere around here, maybe. FAAS, let me have a look. No volume on this, I'd avoid it. FAS, nothing, unfortunately, Abdullah. Hollow, nothing. Hollow is extremely bearish. This is expected to go down. So if you're in this trade right now, you have probably a 78% chance of this going down. GOVX, nothing on this. These plays are the ones that really just capitalize when there is, any news based on, obviously this is monkeypox, so anything monkeypox related or anything with earnings or anything in general with this company, then it will start to run. But other than that, yeah, these are just going to pretty much come down or just pretty much straight ranging the whole time. But when these do get news, we know these ones do run pretty well. So it is always good to keep these on watch though. But the thing is, when you see it running, that's when the best time to look to trade that. But I would not get it now when it's not doing anything. AIMD, nothing for me on this. Absolutely nothing. I don't like something like this. Maybe if you want to take a risk entry above 0.56. APLD NVIDIA play. Oh, I think it's linked with Bitcoin as well. Digital, usually digital has something to do with Bitcoin. Octo is nice. Crazy wick here, 460. I'm gonna use this support here. 356. We'll see what this does do. ELYM, yeah, ELYM needs 858. VSME, I'm just gonna keep it here. I'm just gonna clean this chart up. I don't like this falling wedge anymore. What I'll do is, this will be the most recent resistance around here, 156. So 156, close above here could be entries, or close above the purple line. XHG, it's trying to curl, it's going green, it's going green. Geo. ELAB. ELAB. Nothing on ELAB for me. This chart is just terrible. Terrible chart. I wouldn't even look at anything on this. I don't know. Nothing for me personally. If I'm trying to consider something, maybe above 0.13. You want to take a high risk because you really want to get in, then you have to wait for this. EOISM fill on the 5-minute gap. 5 minute? Oh, here, yeah. Well, no, not really. Oh, that's fake candle. Yeah, there's a gap fill here, but I don't know. It's not too significant. Gap fill on 5 minute isn't really anything, to be honest. Kraken. Look at this. Kraken has no volume. You see these dots? This means dots means no. It means do not trade. It means delete. Yeah, Kraken, nothing. Look, downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. Look, you can even say it's bearish. You know what this is? A descending triangle. Descending triangle is bearish. The chart pattern is bearish. Bearish means down. So this would go down. Yeah, Kraken is bearish at the moment, unfortunately. So nothing on this. Monkeypox play is worth keeping an eye on. Hey, honestly, I don't know the news. I don't know anything. I haven't really looked at the news, to be honest, and see what's going on. Monkeypox cases. Yeah, I mean, if there is news, in my opinion, if there's news out and it hasn't ran, then I don't know what's going on. So there is something fishy going on, and obviously there's no volume on this play. Usually we know once there's volume on these plays, they run crazy. Maybe it's waiting for market open. I'm not too sure exactly, but I would personally just wait. I suggest waiting. So wait until there's volume, because you're gonna, if you want to enter now, you know it's just a very difficult situation, because you're gonna hope and think and pray that it will run, right? I mean, I guess there's a low risk that if you do enter now that it will go down off news, but it's just like, where do you put your stop loss and those kind of things. So for me, I would focus on it technically. That's my approach. But yeah, I do see there's news. BREA, nothing on this. This is a terrible chart. Nothing on this. If you want to enter something maybe above 9, I would even, if I really want to take a trade on this, I would wait for $1. So if it gets above $1, then I would look for an entry. So yeah, $1 break, then yeah. We'll see like this. Yeah, Monkeypox, MVAX, all those GOVX. I can't remember the other ones. So look here, this one is very simple to trade. If it doesn't close above $1, you do not take the trade. So just wait. Wait, monkeypox plays are boring. Yeah, I mean, only if they run, they're good to trade, but when nothing's running, it's boring. MSGM, yeah, looks good. Breaking out the falling wedge, very nice. Support was formed right over here at 131. You have VWAP in the way, I think. Yeah, VWAP's in your way, but these are your next levels here. Looking good into open though, it's moving, it's curling. I'm just gonna clean this whole chart up like this, put this as the high, 161. Now what I'll do is, I will do this. So now I'll just focus on 161 into open. But keep it on watch, it's looking like it's curling into open. All right. So get above $1. Let me see what else is moving here. Pre-market movers. Let's have a look. We have ATCH, Octo, Bria. Yeah, nothing really. Nothing. Yeah, Octo's getting the wick fill. Very nice trade on Octo. If you were in the Discord, you got in. Going for the wick fill. So this is kind of the only thing that's, excuse me, above VWAP, right? Above VWAP, VSME. Nearly. VSME's waking up into open as well. EBS, still below VWAP. EYNO, XHG. I'm just going to delete XHG. MSGM, not interested. TNON, maybe. This one is a weird play. I don't really have faith in the stock, to be honest, but I have to just keep on watch. Above VWAP? Nope. IMRX, I do like this play. Larger time frame setup, it looks good. As you can see here, you have a falling wedge. You are breaking out already. So yeah, it looks good. Heading to 350, then 380. I like IMRX, so it's a nice stock to trade. It's not too volatile and crazy. Hierin has asked me a question that we all want to know the answer to. You have asked me, is it going to go to 5? So this is my thinking now behind it, all right? This is my thinking behind Octo. The stock is at 419, okay? That's the first thing we can identify. What is the second thing? We can identify from this level now to $5 is a 20% move, okay? Now the logic is, what is the probability of this going to $5, right? And not going to $5? We don't know the probability of it, but I can tell you that there is a higher probability that it will continue to go up, right? To these resistance levels here, which is 460. If it breaks above 460, you have a probability of going to $5. But is it going to go to $5? I don't know. And if I did know the answer to that, I would ask you for some money, and I would ask everyone else here, all 70 of you guys in here, for some money so I can put $100 million on it, that it will go to $5, and I will be a very, very wealthy person. All right. So we do not know what price a stock will go to, and you should never ever hold for a price. Okay, so just aim for the percentages. If it goes to $5, that's fantastic. But if you're in this trade and you're up 5, 10, 15%, you should be out at least 50% of your position. Unless you're trading long term or you're swing trading it, that's a different story. But I'm giving you the approach of a day trader, that's all. Hope that makes sense. But knowing what price a stock will go to is impossible. MLGO, yeah, MLGO, nothing. MLGO is moving up, but it's going to break this high, isn't it? 0.262. ATCH coming down a bit. Hollow, nothing. Seal, nothing. This one's strange. MSS. I thought this one would move. Paid promo. Oh, really? Interesting. Oh, NUKK, that's a good one. Let me have a look. How's that one coping? Down 8%, 32% yesterday. I don't know, low volume. Bullish pennant forming, maybe a little bit. Yes, I'm going through these wicks. It's okay if you do that. No one can tell you otherwise. like this. Here you go. It's expected to break out, but the only way this will respect these technicals is if it gets volume, and yeah, volume only respects when technicals, I mean technicals only get respected when you have volume. Bullish pennants. It is down 11% from 32% yesterday, so there is a probability it can push up again. Your support is around 0.25-ish level. Nice cheese, nice. EBS for me is a very simple one. If it closes above 712, I'll look for entries. Octo, it's chilling. VSME, nothing yet. ELYM, nothing. MSGM's looking okay. TNON. So you can see this is what I do every single day. I just rinse and repeat and go through the same trades every single day, every day. I have my watch list. This is my watch list, and now I'll watch these plays over and over again until they give me a setup. That is how I do it every day. SMMT is up 4%. CAPR is moving a bit. This looks good. It is a $9 stock, but soon to be 10. A little bit high for my liking to trade these. 10.55. What are we thinking? Yeah, a lot of resistance here. 10.55. That's what I'm seeing. EBS. Yeah, EBS downtrend. How many members do we have Discord? I don't know the exact number, unfortunately. I'm sorry, I can't tell you. 161. Yeah, this looks, MSGM's looking good. I would say if it closes above VWAP, you could look for your entries. 146, above 146, maybe. VSME 156. Wait, is it the same thing? I don't know. It's 146. Yeah, close above VWAP, you could look for entries. VSME 150. I would wait for 156 on this because look, the reason why I say that is because right now the stock is doing what? It's ranging up and down, up and down. We don't know what's going on, right? We know if it closes above here, we can go up. If we range, we don't know. Up, down, up, down. If we go below, cool, that's fine. So wait for the 156 close above, then you can look for your entries. All right. QH pumped on the 10th. Swing trade seems to be fighting its way back. What price is this stock? It's a $1 stock. It ran 16% yesterday. For me, I don't know. I don't like trading a $1 stock for a swing trade. I look at much larger stocks, price stocks. If you are considering it, I would wait for a break above this because then you have range up. QH. There we go. Yeah, I would say above here, maybe you could look for it because then you're in a bullish momentum. Right here, you're trying to just hope that it's going to reverse when you buy it. You know? More than 100? Yes, we have way more than 100 RYP. We have way more than 100. What is your question? What are you trying to find out, brother? Are you trying to find out how much money I make? Or what? If you want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to just Discord. You are more than welcome to. I highly recommend it if you want to learn how to trade and learn. NNE, let me check this one. NNE's, I like this kind of chart because the candles are actually pretty decent. See, look, this was a perfect falling wedge breakout. Now it's starting to hold the support level here. It looks good. I like this. Yeah, this NNE does look very good. Seriously, looks good. 101 TI. Exact. Habe is the 101st member. He's the 101st member. SoFi. So-fi is cooking. I've got to head out in a minute. In like 10 minutes, I've got to head out, guys. I won't be here, guys, until like, I won't be back for another 2.5 hours. I have to run some errands, so I won't be active. This looks good though. I gave this a swing already. You mentioned that you shouldn't sell at resistance since many trades get rejected resistance. Wouldn't it make sense to sell a portion if you bought at resistance? I would never buy at resistance. So yeah, I wouldn't buy at resistance. Since the major rejected. So you mentioned you shouldn't trade if you sell at resistance. I always sell just before resistance. So if VWAP's in the way, I sell just before that. If there's a psychological level, I'll sell just before that. If there's an actual resistance, then I'll sell before that. I wouldn't buy just before resistance unless there's high volume. Can I join Discord? Yes, you can. You can join the Discord as complete beginner. We have live seminars. I teach you exactly how I trade and what my strategy is. There's support resistance. There's loads of videos on WAP and also in the Discord as well. Educational content. We have alerts, swing trades, all that kind of stuff. But the main thing is what we teach in the Discord is risk management and realistic trading. We aim for 1% on our account a day. We don't aim for 100% account a day. We don't have crazy PT targets, all that shit. We aim for realistic targets, that's all. How much percent reversal or resistance would sell? Whenever I hit my first target, I aim for 5%. If I hit my 5%, I sell at least 50% of my position. Then I move my stop loss to around my entry. So if I buy 1,000 shares and I'm at resistance, I'll sell 500 and move my stop loss to my entry. MLGO, let me look. MLGO is like the highest point of the day. So look here, this is my logic. MLGO is at the highest point of the day, all right? This means you're FOMOing, this is your chasing. For me, I don't trade something like this. It's not my strategy. I don't know how to trade something like this when it's the highest point of the day. I don't know if it's gonna go up or down, continue, I don't know. I wait for a pullback, let it form a downtrend or something, then you can look for your entry. You don't want anyone's money. If you want to RIP, the easiest way, and I can send you a link right now, go onto this WAP here, and then you can go and see all the reviews. We have a total of 77 reviews, all 5 stars. You can read it, scroll down on the page, and you can go through all of them. All right. RIP videos was really good. If you get something from YouTube, then you're gonna have to. Yeah, exactly. I mean, the thing is, the difference between YouTube and this and Twitter and the Discord, it's completely different. Just because I share charts, people think I'm in the charts on Twitter. 99% of the time, I'm not in any of the charts that I put on Twitter because they're not. I will probably trade them if they do give me the setup. But if I look for my entry, I wait for specific things that I wait for. Confluences, I wait for chart patterns, I wait for things that I teach. That's all. So that's what I do. I mean, I'm here to make you a long-term trader. I'm not here to give you alerts and all that stuff. I'm here to teach you how to trade. So if you want to learn how to trade and have the skill, you should join the Discord. If you just want to get the alerts, we have that too. But getting alerts, you won't get much out of it. You're going to be very inconsistent. You don't know what to do. I believe a few months, I believe. Yeah, there's what, Paul. You're right, bro. Thanks, answer MLGO. No worries, no worries, no worries. It's phenomenal. RIP joined in August, and I've learned so much compared to doing my own research. Great explanations, breakdowns, entries were made. Appreciate that, Jace. Thank you, brother. August, you joined in my birthday month. RIP, really good. He used most effective, clean, and low risk methods. Yeah. That's the best one I've done on my trades. Yes, Maya has changed. Maya, what did you say? I saw something you said. Was it on journals? Where did you... Let me have a look. Under journal updates, I think Maya said something. Let me have a look. Maya, I'm going to call you out for this one. I actually can't remember where it is. But it was good, something good. I just can't remember exactly, and I don't want to quote it. But yes, well done. Anyways, okay guys, I'm going to head into the Discord. Yes, MLGO looks good. Okay, I'm going to mention to members. I'm going to go on a call with them now. But for those who are on Twitter and follow me, guys, Guys, I'll be sharing probably in 2.5 hours, maybe a little later, because I've got some things I need to sort out. I will be on later. I probably won't be very active today, but I will be back normal tomorrow. All right, guys? So hope you learned something or just wanted to get some plays and setups. I hope I gave you something. So yes, have a fantastic day, guys, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.